Learn how to pronounce anemone the right way. Anemone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to master the pronunciation of the word anemone. This word comes from Greek, and it refers to both a beautiful ocean creature, sea anemone, and a delicate flower, anemone bloom. The tricky part about anemone is that it's often mispronounced due to its unusual spelling. Many English speakers say Ah-neh-moan or anemone, but let's learn how to say it correctly. The proper pronunciation is Ah-neh-moan. Let's say that together slowly. Ah-neh-moan. Good. Now say it a little more naturally. Anemone. It starts with a soft sound, followed by a stressed NEH, like may, then a quick ma, and ends with nee, like knee. You don't need to overemphasize each syllable, but saying it as anemone will make you sound much more knowledgeable, especially in scientific or gardening contexts. Now repeat after me. Anemone, anemone, anemone. This word is often used when discussing marine life or gardening. For example, the clownfish hides among the sea anemone's tentacles, or I planted purple anemones in my spring garden. Practicing nature terms like this not only improves your pronunciation, but also helps you speak more confidently about biology or horticulture. Let's do some more repetition together. Anemone, anemone, anemone. Excellent. You're improving with every repetition. Let's try it in a full sentence. The anemone's vibrant colors attract many underwater photographers. Say it again. Anemone. Now you try it. Anemone. Perfect. Keep practicing this and soon you'll pronounce scientific terms like a marine biologist or master gardener.